let me share with you the most important secrets in goat and sheep farming. If you want to go into goat farming or sheep farming, there are some things you need to know. There are some things you need to understand. First of all, I want you to know that running or keeping goats as domestic animals is different from running a goat farm. Our parents, our grandparents are used to keeping goats. We were born to see our grandparents keeping goats. So keeping goats is not a new thing. It's not a new habit. It's not a trend. Keeping goat has always been there. Families have been keeping goat. I don't think that there is many people that grew up in Africa that don't have goats or sheep in their family. But what we are talking about now is the secret of running a goat farming business as a business. Now, number one thing that you need, that is a secret to successful goat farming, is knowledge. If you want to go into goat farming as a business, one, I want you to acquire knowledge first. I want you to go for mentorship first, attend training first, get to understand how goats have been reared as business commercially. Then number two top secrets in goat farming business success is understanding breed and genetics. Understanding breeds and genetics. It is not every goat breed that are commercial goats. So before you start goat farm as a business, you need to understand breed based on the purpose of your farm. Because if you are going to run a meat-based business, you should be understanding breeds that give you size. A breed that give you size, that have enough meat in them. If your purpose of farm is going to be for milk, you need to look at breed that produce enough daily milk. That is to then, if your purpose of farm is to bring out breeding stocks for other farms, your focus should be breed that are in high demands. What are the breed that farmers are looking for? Then after you understand breed and genetics, the next thing you are looking for is understanding feeding and nutrition. Understanding feeding and nutrition. No matter how many goats you have, no matter what is the genetics of the goats, no matter what is the breed of the goats, if you can't feed them well, some of them will die and they will not grow well. So understand feeding and nutrition when it comes to goat farming. Then another thing that you need to understand is the living condition of your goats. Even human beings, when they don't have a good living condition, they don't grow well. So you need to understand how to build your pen, how to keep your pen, how to make your livestock live in a good living environment and condition. These are the things I believe that if you master, you will be able to set yourself on a journey of running a successful goat and sheep farming business. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in my next video.